See these tiny pigeons, baby pigeons. Where is your mommy? Yeah, I haven't seen her since yesterday. Their crop is also empty, so I'm a bit worried. I took them inside and now I'm hand feeding them. You can see the crop is full and they are active and back to normal now. Once they become ready to go out, I'll release them. Now they are so tiny and I have to keep them warm. What? Are you still hungry? I can't feed you more. Your crop is going to burst now. The tiny one is the naughtiest one. The elder one is the darker one on the left side. Stop making sounds. Yeah. This is the second baby. Now they started eating seeds and fruits and all. This is the first one. This is almost tame now. Now I left them out in the balcony so that they can live a normal pigeon life. I don't want to keep them inside and take their freedom. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.